Hi, I'd like to share with you my latest and most exciting laser device that I have incorporated in my office. This is Cyton's HALO TriBrid. That name indicates the three special laser wavelengths that can be used simultaneously for treatment. And this is why I love the TriBrid so much. I have 30 plus years of laser experience uh, treating skin with light, energy, with different lasers. And what I can do with Cyton's HALO TriBrid are very unique treatments with blending three different laser wavelengths in unique ways. So I've been able to come up over the last several months that I've worked with the TriBrid for my patients a special layering process. So that allows me to treat um, part of the face or full face with a certain setting that incorporates each of the three different laser wavelengths, each doing something different. For example, the 1470 wavelength, I can go deeper with that, stimulate deeper collagen. I can also use it a little bit more superficial, create more little holes in the tiny holes in the skin, and be able to clear sun damage and pigmentation. I can combine with that the 2940, that's the Erbium wavelength, famous for resurfacing, but we're using it in a very special way with the TriBrid, and it allows me to be able to use that so I can get a surface improvement, the fine lines, crepiness, and texture. And then the world famous Moxi wavelength, 1927, that is used for that kind of mid-range in the skin, the outer epidermal layer and a little bit into the dermis. So that's very good for deeper pigmentation and superficial pigment. So when I blend all these three together and treat the entire face, I can correct sun damage. However, I have another set of settings that I really love to use for wrinkles around the mouth, around the eyes, crepiness on the neck. So I do a second step where I can turn off the Moxi wavelength and use the Erbium deeper, and I can go deeper also with the 1470. That allows me then to be able to get a deeper heating and greater degree of tightening of the lower face and the neck. And then I've got my favorite step that I like to do for addressing wrinkles around the eyes, wrinkles around the mouth. And in that step, I can turn off all the other wavelengths except for the Erbium, set the Erbium at a special deeper level, and then be able to kind of go and get this Erbium resurfacing around the eyes, this layered technique. And then for those people with a greater degree of sun damage in their skin and precancerous changes, I have a special set of settings that I like to do to really be able to get the surface removed on the skin. And I can do that uniquely and very nicely and easily for patients. I love the HALO TriBrid because of its ability to allow me to create this layering treatment process that accomplishes more than we really were ever able to do with any other kind of laser in a way that's easier and faster for patients. Cyton, this is a great technology, and you've given us a tool that allows us to be able to so customize treatments for patients and be able to address all those age-related changes that people have: spots, sun damage, precancerous changes, wrinkles, crepey skin, sagging, and laxity. HALO TriBrid from Cyton with Dr. Patrick Bitter.